Hey guys, are you ready? We're back with another set of the most innovative and amusing gadgets. Who needs an iPhone 13? Today you'll see a couple of accessories that'll upgrade your old one. Are you in? All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments section which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Paper planes are just for kids? Not anymore. This DIY kit turns a folded sheet of paper into an actual high-speed jet. The kit features a powerful dual motor along with an onboard computer and auto stabilizer, so it doesn't really matter how good the plane is folded. It'll fly anyway, even on windy days. Plus, this thing has an autopilot mode, and most importantly, there's a Bluetooth module that lets you control the plane right from your phone. You can even perform some cool tricks like loop, barrel roll, or hammerhead. The app also shows you the signal and battery status, as well as some stats on your flights. Assembling your plane won't be much harder than a regular one. Use some paper, foam, or balsa wood for the frame, then follow the manual to attach the electronic parts. The plane flies up to 10 minutes on one charge within a 230-foot range. Don't worry if it falls, all parts are made of sturdy carbon fiber and the nose is reinforced with nylon. It takes less than 30 minutes to fully charge, so you can take off again and again. iPhones are known for great cameras, but they still lack professional controls. This innovative grip attaches to the back of your phone, featuring a set of most needed actions. There's a two-stage shutter button, a customizable dial that adjusts the exposure, shutter speed, or ISO, and a smooth zoom lever. Plus, you get a multifunctional button that can be assigned to various functions depending on your needs. Cool. The grip also features an ergonomic, rotatable design, letting you seamlessly switch between portrait and landscape modes. No need to worry about charging. The included coin cell battery lasts up to a whole year. On the software side, this thing is provided with a clean and powerful camera app. Control each parameter of your shot, use AI tracking, and shoot in various formats, including RAW and ProRAW. And you're still free to use other apps and lenses for your iPhone. Aside from all that, the grip doubles as a nice kickstand for hands-free phone calls and watching YouTube. You might also get the additional carrying case and leather wrist strap. iPhone 12 users will appreciate the MagSafe case that works with all your stands and chargers. This dock turns your Apple Watch into an ultimate alarm clock. It uses a smooth, single-piece lucite to magnify the display. Just tap on it anywhere to wake the watch. So simple. Also, your alarm sounds louder now thanks to the special amplifiers. And there's a slot for your magnetic charger with easy cord management. Oh, and the dock is compatible with all Apple Watch series. Work and play more comfortably using this really nice accessory. It's a combo of a fairly large mouse pad and ergonomic armrest. A soft wrist padding filled with memory foam provides healthy ergonomic positioning. The included clamp lets you quickly attach this thing to your desk, unless it's thicker than 1.5 inches. You might also use the Velcro straps to secure the armrest right on your chair. This thing suits equally well for both right and left-handed users. It's also quite durable, supporting the max weight of 11 pounds. Get one for home and one for your office. Remember those times when we needed so many different gadgets, like a camera, a calculator, and a music player, before we started using smartphones? Now Squarespace does the same thing. It lets you create your own website or online store, grow your audience, and sell your goods using just a single platform. One of the tools that we find incredibly useful is member areas. This is a great way to monetize your content by sharing it with the most loyal audience. Choose the payment options that suit you best, one-time or recurring, and you can always stay in touch with your members via email, so they won't miss all the new stuff. So now you need an email designer, huh? Nope, Squarespace has you covered. Your email content will perfectly match the whole design and branding. You don't have to make every campaign from scratch. There are so many templates to work with. And after the campaign, it's time to check the numbers. The platform provides all the stats and detailed analytics, so you can adjust your strategies or simply keep going. Start by checking out squarespace.com for a free trial. And if you go to squarespace.com/YouFactTech, you'll save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. If you're not into spinners but still need something to relieve stress, this roller is a perfect option. Yep, you only need to roll this thing in the palm of your hand, but it's extremely satisfying. Definitely better than biting your nails. Plus, this thing strengthens your fingers and forearm, and you might also use it for a light massage. Unlike all those cheap plastic toys, the roller is fully made from aircraft-grade anodized aluminum. The bead-blasted finish feels really nice and smooth in your hand. There are 3 colors to choose from: black, silver, and rose gold. Put the toy in the included pouch and take it wherever you go. How to take full advantage of the new MagSafe feature in the latest iPhones. What about attaching these earbuds to the back of your phone? This makes the earbuds easier to carry and harder to lose. Strong magnets make sure the case stays firmly in place. Actually, this isn't for iPhones only. The Snap-on design works with other smartphones, laptops, and tablets as well. Aside from that, the earbuds support the high-quality audio standards, and the fastest Bluetooth ensures the lowest possible latency, whether you're watching a video or playing online games. There's also a special technology that allows seamless transition from one earbud to the other. And of course, you're free to use them for phone calls. Each earbud features 2 microphones along with a smart noise reduction algorithm. You'll be able to change volume, switch tracks, and answer calls using the quick touch controls. As for the battery life, the earbuds last up to 5 hours on their own and 45 hours with the charging case. And there are 2 ways to charge them: USB-C or the included wireless charging pad. Honing your guitar skills will be much easier with this new amplifier. First of all, it lets you plug in a pair of wired headphones and play anywhere, anytime. Feel free to adjust your sound using the huge variety of amp tones and effects, including reverb, overdrive, and delay. This thing is equipped with a rotatable input plug that suits virtually all electric guitars. In addition, you can connect it to your phone via Bluetooth to play along with your favorite songs. When you're ready to record your hit, simply connect the amp to your PC or Mac via USB-C. The same port is actually used for charging, but you can play up to 4 hours without the cord. This is what perfect balance looks like. This table lamp features a unique design that lets it stand and swivel at any pivot without falling. So what's the secret? Nope, there are no magnets or glue inside. It's all about perfect symmetry and the right center of mass. You don't even need the stand. The lamp stays balanced on your finger or any other random surface. And apart from that, 2 glowing globes fill your room with nice, soft light. You can switch between 2 color temperatures with the push of a button. Thanks to the large rechargeable battery, the lamp works with no cords for 6 hours straight. The micro USB charging port is neatly integrated into the stand. Choose the color option that best suits your interior: black, white, or red. Watching this lamp will bring you some peace of mind. Next up is this futuristic toothbrush. Now, first of all, it stands out with this cool metal design, smooth and clean as it gets. But the coolest part is the power motor, delivering 42,000 revolutions per minute. This power allows super efficient cleaning with 32 intensity levels to choose from. And despite the great speed, this thing stays completely quiet. The colorful display lets you quickly adjust all the settings like brushing time and mode, whitening massage, and more. When you're done, you'll see your brushing report on the display. And there's a mobile app in case you want to check out more detailed analytics. This toothbrush also takes care of your teeth by automatically adjusting the frequency to avoid bleeding and damage. You won't need to charge this thing every day. 3.5 hours on a wireless charger will give you 35 days of use. And you can get rid of your bulky toothbrush holder. This magnetic one is way cooler. Or you might get the bundle with this wall-mounted sterilizer. You just put your toothbrush in it and gently pull the drawstring. UV light will do the rest. Moreover, the gadget automatically starts sterilization every 6 hours. It can actually hold several toothbrushes at a time, whether electric or not. This thing is attached with an adhesive sticker so it won't damage your walls. There's nothing better than watching your stocks grow, especially with this cool new ticker. It's super clean and handy, providing you with glanceable updates on your stocks, crypto, or forex prices. The latency is barely noticeable, just 20 milliseconds. This thing uses an e-paper display, it's easy to read, and it's energy efficient. You might set the gadget to a single ticker or add up to 10 different tickers and toggle between them. Use the dedicated mobile app to set your stocks in order and choose the cycle interval. You might also set custom alerts. The changing colors and beeper make sure you won't miss anything important. Also, the built-in magnets let you stack multiple tickers together. Watch your empire grow right on your desk. Great sound is a huge part of the gaming experience. So this speaker with colorful RGB lighting is definitely worth checking out. But it isn't just the look, this thing provides high-quality immersive sound. And you can easily adjust it depending on the type of game you're playing. The FPS mode perfectly suits for shooters and RTS is for racing and sports. But you're free to manually customize every single parameter using the dedicated mobile app. And of course, there's a built-in microphone for voice chat. It reduces the surrounding noise and echo. Your teammates will hear every word. You can connect this thing to virtually any device using several input options, plus you're free to plug a headset into the speaker and seamlessly switch between them using the special button. The speaker works up to 5 hours on one charge, and when the game is over, just switch to the cinema or music mode for endless entertainment. If you've ever printed 3D models, you know they never come out perfect. So here's a great tool that lets you quickly remove the supports and polish the rough parts. All you need to do is adjust the heat level and choose one of the removable heads depending on the task. Each of them is designed for a specific action like refining, blending, or removing large pieces. This thing works with various materials like resin, PLA, and more. The compact pen-like design gives you complete freedom to move the tool however you need. Actually, there's a new upgraded model that's already available on the official website, so check it out and take your art to the next level.